Myself Zubair Khan and assistant teacher SS High School Junior College Morba, and I teach here biology subject, and today I am presenting one teaching acts on cell division that is related to the mitosis cell division. It is connected with the chapter 6 of class 11, that is cell division. And now the first of all, cell is a basic fundamental structural fundamental unit of life, because of the life is originated from the cell, and division of the cell is one of the important aspects in the life of cell. And as the cell is ready to division, they passes through the two division, that is the first is interphase and second one is M phase. The interphase, it is the largest phase of a life of cell cycle. It is there about 16 to 18 hours period during the life of cell, and the interphase is divided into three phases, that is a G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. G1 phase is responsible for RNA synthesis, while the S phase is responsible for DNA replication and DNA synthesis, and it is also the responsible for the synthesis of histone protein. And G2 phase is another one phase, they are the responsible for the RNA synthesis. Now after that, the cell is enter inside in the M phase. This is the mitosis phase. This is the first stage of a mitosis, that is the interphase. This is the interphase. Here the cell go in a three phases, that is the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. After the completion of this phase, the cell enter into the prophase. This is the prophase first. In this phase, the chromosome become condensed and the nucleus enlarged, and the nucleus, the nuclear membrane ready to disappear. After that, the prophase, after the completion of prophase, the cell enter in the metaphase. Here the spindle fibers are formed. Metaphase plates are formed, and the chromosomes are arranged on equatorial plate at the metaphase plate. Then after the completion of this phase, the cell is go another one phase, that is known as anaphase. Anaphase, the chromosome from the equatorial plate, they are start to migrate towards the pole. That is the here the chromosomes, we can see here the chromosomes are migrated towards the pole, and from metaphase plate here start to migrate towards the pole. The spindle fibers are formed, and after the completion of this phase, finally the cell is divided into two cells, that is the two daughter cells. The genetic material and every organelles of cell is divided in equally, because of mitosis is also known as equational division. And after